The Hancock County prosecutor is trying to determine what, if any, charges will be filed against a woman who shot and killed her husband on Friday.
The victim was a noted gun collector whose mental stability had been wavering. Derek Thomas reports that the prosecutor has 72 hours to make the call.
Friday morning, Elizabeth Roberts contacted police about her husband's deteriorating mental condition. It was foreshadow of things to come. This is the home that the couple shared. The 56-year-old Roberts wanted police to intervene. Her 57-year-old husband, Gary, was one of the biggest gun collectors in Hancock County. Police were notified about a possible problem at 8:30 in the morning. They applied for a search warrant under the Jake Laird law at 11 o'clock. They got another notification at noon that Gary would be hostile to police taking his guns.
He was down there loading magazines at the time after he told her that he was going to kill law enforcement or anybody else that tried to stop him.
And at 12:30, the shooting occurred.
She admits to shooting him. There's no question there. And she tells us that in her statement that the reason that she took the action that she did was because the threats that he'd made towards law enforcement and to others, that she had to stop him. And, she told him, if you don't stop, I'm going to shoot you.
Thoughts about the shooting are reverberating in the community. Should prosecutors charge her with a crime?
Most definitely.
No question.
No questions about it. I mean, she killed him. She should be charged with murder.
If it was me, they would do that to me. I'm not no different than her. So, yeah.
So you think that she deserves a murder charge?
Yeah.
It's a tough call.
Yeah.
Why is it so tough?
Because it's her husband. She obviously did love him at some point, even though he has kind of lost his mind a little bit.
There is a possibility that the prosecutor will not file criminal charges. He could submit it to a grand jury to let that body decide. In Greenfield, Derek Thomas, RTV6.
Elizabeth Roberts has retained attorney Patrick Bedell from Rushville. We called him, but he elected not to comment on the case.